tube. So today we are going to be creating a test tube setup. So a lot of you have been catching the queens, so I'm hoping that this will help you out. So what you want to do is you want to fill it up to about a little bit more than 2/3 of the way there. Then what you want to do is you want to take some cotton. You just want to push it down until it's touching the very tip of the water. You want to get it so that the water goes like halfway up the cotton. Not all the way, else it will drown him. So now it's halfway up there. And a little bit more than halfway actually. You want to get it like moist cotton. A little bit moist. And so there you have it. Perfectly good test tube. You put your queen in here and then you put another piece of cotton right here so that she can breathe. And there you go. Now what a lot of people like to do is they like to put the cotton down here so that they can give their queen more space. I don't really like to do that because I feel like it's giving the queen too much space. If you give them too much space, then it's not like their natural habitat. The queens build a chamber just barely big enough for them to fit in. If you have it big enough for them and 5 more queens in there, then it's not just like their habitat. But if you have a polygynous colony, then you're going to want to put it back further. Bigger queen, you're going to want to put it back further. But for a regular sized queen, you want to put it around here. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like and make sure you subscribe.